So you have been wanting to share this great idea with your friends, or post something on social media, or even start a business. But every time before you start, you have countless thoughts in your head why something is not working and you shouldn't do it because of a million reasons. If you catch yourself doing it, you have problems with overthinking. I would say that we all do. However, some of us do a lot more, while some are more aware of their thoughts, so they make efforts to do less and make changes. So what is overthinking? Overthinking is going over the same thoughts again and again with different scenarios and different plot twists in our head. What are the negative impacts of overthinking? Overthinking has more serious and negative effects than we know. Overthinking and excessive worrying can cause so much stress and anxiety, which may lead to depression and poor mental health. People who overthink tend to have insomnia due to their active minds and unnecessary worries popping up in their head at night. In addition, overthinking makes you feel paralyzed as you struggle to make timely decisions, take action, and move forward, which will impact your overall quality of life, productivity, and your mental well-being. So what can we do to stop overthinking? Here are the 5 ways to help you manage overthinking. Number 1, write down your thoughts and read them out loud. When you keep everything in your head, it can be quite overwhelming for you to figure out what to do. Writing them down will give you a clearer picture of your thoughts, and you'll be able to recognize whether your thoughts are true or based on your imagination. Number 2, understand your trigger. Whenever you start overthinking, try to figure out what triggered this overthinking. And when you are more aware of what caused it, you are more likely to find your answer and manage your triggers. Number 3, focus on your breathing. If you catch yourself overthinking, take deep and slow breaths so that you can move your focus to your breathing. And this will help you shift your mind to the present moment instead of your past or your future. Number 4, keep yourself engaged. The truth is, the more free time you have, the more you will overthink. So make sure that you plan your time wisely, set new goals, find new hobbies, and learn something new to keep yourself engaged so that you can take your mind off overthinking and focus on having more nourishing activities. Number 5, manage your stress. Always take time to do something that makes you feel happy and excited. This can be as simple as spending time with your loved ones, taking a slow walk in nature, or watching a silly comedy. All this nourishing activity will help you de-stress and improve your overall mental well-being. And when you feel happy, you will have less negative thoughts. And remember this, the heaviest burdens we carry are all in our head. They are our negative thoughts, our fears, and our worries. But you should never let all this stop you from living your best life. So those are the 5 ways you can use to manage your overthinking. But let me know in the comment section below if you have any other ways that help you with your overthinking. And if you are new to Close Space, my name is Trinh. I am a business and life strategist. Do consider subscribing if you would like to learn more contents about mental wellness, mindful living, and self-mastery. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next episode. And I am super excited to share with you that we are launching our very first Design Glow Journal, Junior Edition in November and Woman Edition in December to promote mental wellness and personal growth through mindful living while developing your self-awareness. If you are interested, you can make a pre-order at the link in the description box below.